Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Today we'll have a design thinking based discussion related to sustainable packaging. So, as we all know, packaging is one of the important stage in case of any food processing. So, packaging is the one which helps in ensuring that the product is safe and also quality wise there will be no degradation. If we don't have proper packaging, then the food might be not up to the mark or up to the level of expectation. So there are a lot of issues we basically face during the packaging. So let's discuss what are the issues we face in the packaging and how we overcome it using design thinking.
So let me start with the empathy part. As ma'am said, packaging is the very required one in food processing, as it protects the food from the environment and also contaminations and other sources. But overuse of this plastic material for packaging results in leaching of these plastic materials and also contaminating the food, which is not good for our health and can also be fatal. So we need something which is more sustainable and which doesn't have any environmental impact and also safe for consumption.
In the defense stage, we identify the core problem. How can we create packaging that is eco-friendly, affordable, and safe for food products while reducing plastic waste? The major problems identified were plastic pollutions, non-biodegradable materials, high packaging-based generation, consumer depends on plastic packaging. After analyzing these problems, we concluded that sustainable alternatives are necessary for future packaging system.
In the idea stage, we generated many solutions for this problem. First one is sustainable packaging. Biodegradable packaging plays a main role in future generation. Using materials from the rice starch, dried peels, etc. And paper-based packaging, recycling plastic covers with the recyclable paper materials, reusable containers, encouraging refill system and the reusable food containers, edible packaging, developing edible films for the packaging and the smart packaging, using QR code to educate consumers about the recycling and the disposal method. After that, we selected biodegradable food packaging as our best solution because it is very eco-friendly for us.
So from the idea type, we have designed a prototype based on this. So using the recyclable papers and the fibers which are naturally present from the fruits, vegetables and the trees. So we can use banana fiber, peels, and using these peels fiber we can able to design a prototype, and we made a prototype as a container using these recyclable fibers and papers, and it will be very useful for the food packaging materials. And these containers should have the resistant of water resistant, moisture content quality, ability to withstand the heat resistance, etc. So based on these assumptions, we have designed a container to make the food be consumable and store it for a long time also.
So in the test we have done various tests with this and we have received the feedback. So we almost got most of the positive feedback because of its eco-friendly packaging and the reduced in plastics. So also we do have the positive feedback. Still we do face some challenges, like the negative feedbacks we issued is the production cost, because now we produce it in a very small range. So since when we produce our product in small range, of course the product rate will be high. So it's the cost is a major issue, and the other thing is its flexibility. So compared to plastics, our biodegradable plastics is not that much flexible. So we are facing that kind of issues too. And other thing is it's like it's not availability in all over the market. Like people's they are not ready to use this. While what the thing of it is, okay fine, it is affordable. So we could go with the normal plastic. Why should we use of this sustainable free packaging materials? So that's the issue which is faced here. So these are the positive and negative feedbacks we obtained from the test.
Okay, now I'm going to conclude. Sustainable packaging not only safeguards environment and also plays very important role in food industry, because a lot of packaging is coming in plastic, which is not very easily degradable. So taking the sustainable packaging can also make a very big change in food industry. It's a very big revolution. And then it is eco-friendly with industries as well as for the user. Here we went with design thinking for giving user-centered and innovative solutions for this environment as well as food industry's problem. Thank you.
Any other questions? Thank you.